Yeah, that's how I'm bumming now, man. Big Cavalot, man. Feel me? This is a nice little view where I'm on, a nice little pool area. Nice little pool area. Cozy on the right side. This the master bedroom, really. It's all the shit I'm gonna show y'all. Feel me? This my little walk-in closet. Fireplace right there. Bathroom and shit. A bathing area. Another little walk-in closet area. His and hers, you know. Shower area. Peep, I'm so damn rich. There's a golf course in my backyard, bro. You feel me? Like, this little nigga only 20 years old. I've been rich for a year before I make shit happen.